Happy New Year, everybody. This is Wright, the Wright Inspector. My first video for the new year. Today we are in a gorgeous remodel. Very well done. Very impressed with the interior. And then we get to the laundry room. And we have one of these things. I've come across these before. Do not waste your money. They are rated for 2 fixtures. We've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, 4 sinks, 2 showers, plus the kitchen, plus the laundry. I turned on all the sinks and showers and I immediately got an error message on it, and we were getting 78-degree water. Turned a few sinks off, we managed to get 99-degree water. I turned off one of the showers and then I realized we had already tripped a breaker by that point, and this thing had turned off. And the important thing to know about these is they require 3 40-amp circuits. These things pull a lot of electricity. So where you might save a few dollars buying the unit, you're going to pay a lot more than that for the amount of wiring and the electrical work. Because your old tank water heater had 1 40-amp circuit. So you've got to run a whole bunch of new wire. Hopefully your panel's big enough to fit it. This one was running on 2 30 amps and 1 40 amp with undersized wiring. Numerous things wrong. Just put a $500 tank in here. These things just do not work for whole house applications. Stop trying it. That's all I got for now, so have a great day.